Hi, fourth grade. It's Mrs. Bierman. I'm here with my cat. You might see her in a second. And today is Explorer Stand-Up Timeline Part 2. Our learning intentions is I'm learning to analyze house scarcity. Can I find it or not? Choice, we all have them. Opportunity cost, it might not be money we're spending, but how about our time? And risk. The explorers all took risk. Risk with investors' money, risk with other people's ships, other cargo, manpower. And our success criteria is going to be I can prove my learning by researching an explorer from the age of exploration and where they traveled, where and why they traveled. So our example was Christopher Columbus, our trading card. And here are the 8 that we were to choose one more from. We've already done 2, but we're going to do a third one for our timeline project. You're filling out this information. Remember, it's not only their name and death dates. Now we're looking into some more personal information. Were they married? Did they have kids? Did they have a career before they became explorers? These men that explored had to have been very knowledgeable on navigation and navigating tools and steering a ship. It wouldn't be someone who could just, do this without some training, most likely. Oh, and I'm going to go through. Miss Bukevich and I have made the accordion style folders for you. The one I had at school had my example on it, and I deleted it from my YouTube channel after I uploaded it. So here I am re-recording it tonight. You're going to start on the front page after you finish your recording or looking up your information. That's Pitch, my cat. You'll have a title page, and then you're going to pick out 5 significant dates and put your information in. Make sure you're using complete sentences, punctuation, capitalization, all of that counts. On the back of the handout, we're handing out the rubric to you. You'll see exactly how you're graded. And this is turning into a mess. Anyway, we are completing what we were doing yesterday, and then we're going to start actually constructing our timeline in the accordion style construction paper handouts that you're getting. If you're one of my students that are online still, if you don't have construction paper, just use notebook paper. Tomorrow I will upload a video actually of how to fold and glue it together so you can make one at home. All right, guys, I'm sorry. It's late, and I'm just going to upload this video. This has been fun. We'll talk to you later. Bye.